Here is what every L&D leader knows, but rarely says out loud. Your team completed the training, passed the assessments, got the certificate, and on their first real sales call or customer complaint, they froze. Not because they lacked knowledge, because they had never actually practiced the conversation. Consuming training content and being ready to perform live are two entirely different things. And most enterprise training only solves the first problem, while the second one costs you deals and customers every single day. The data from organizations that switch to AI-powered practice is consistent. 75% faster sales readiness, 45% higher conversation confidence, 50% better customer interaction scores. These are not projections. They are measured outcomes from enterprises that replace passive modules with active conversational practice. The difference is not content quality. It is whether their people practice responding under pressure before doing it live. Traditional training has 3 failures. First, it is passive. Watching a video does not build muscle memory for handling a pricing objection. Second, scenarios are generic. Nothing to do with your actual products or buyer personas. Third, no real feedback loop. A multiple choice quiz cannot tell you if your rep holds composure when a CFO pushes back. Paradiso AI Roleplay solves all 3. Live AI conversations built from your playbooks. Adaptive responses that react to what your employee actually says. Scored coaching feedback after every session. You start by ingesting your existing content, SOPs, playbooks, product docs, conversation guides. The platform builds adaptive scenarios from that material. Sales teams get buyer personas mirroring your actual ICP. Support teams get escalation scenarios from your real complaint patterns. New hires get onboarding conversations reflecting your culture. Employees practice by voice or text, anytime, any device. The AI adapts based on what they say. Every decision is scored. Every session generates a coaching report, and managers see a live dashboard showing exactly where each employee needs development. Paradiso AI Roleplay serves 3 enterprise use cases at scale. For sales teams, objection handling, negotiation, discovery calls, and buyer personas matching your actual prospects. For customer support, de-escalation, empathy under pressure, first call resolution, and complaint handling. For employee onboarding, first day introductions, policy scenarios, and manager alignment conversations, all practiced safely before any of those interactions happen live. Paradiso AI Roleplay is trusted by thousands of organizations globally, including IBM, Flipkart, and Rockwell Automation. These are not companies that settle for average training outcomes. They chose AI-powered practice because their revenue, customer satisfaction, and employee retention depend on people who can perform in the actual conversation, not just pass the theory test. Over 20 real-world scenarios available out of the box, and fully customizable to your specific sales motion, support workflows, and onboarding processes. Getting started takes days, not months. Ingest your existing SOPs, sales playbooks, and support scripts. The platform builds adaptive scenarios from that content. Your teams begin practicing immediately by voice or text on any device. Managers review a live coaching dashboard showing skill gaps and improvement trends. No new curriculum to write, no new infrastructure to build. Your existing content becomes a live practice environment your entire organization can use simultaneously. The enterprises winning on customer experience and revenue are not the ones with the best training content. They are the ones whose teams have actually practiced the conversation before it happens live. IBM is not deploying AI Roleplay because they lack good content. They deploy it because performance is built through repetition, not consumption. Organizations that build AI practice infrastructure now will create a compounding advantage in readiness and results that becomes very difficult for competitors to close. Your team has the knowledge. The question is whether they have the practice. Paradiso AI Roleplay gives every